What's going on YouTube? Meridic back here, bringing you guys another POV video. Peace sign to all you viewers out there. Thank you for watching. And currently we're on the road called the ICC. It's a toll road, super chill road. And you know, we're just car spotting right now. Honestly, I'm just, you know, out here taking a nice drive in this 2008 Grand Touring edition of the Prius for 2008. It's got leather seats and stuff. It's pretty dope. JBL speakers. The only thing is this car has almost 160,000, approaching 160,000 miles. I'm gonna look right now. 157,665. So almost 160,000 miles, and I've probably driven 30,000 miles, 40,000 miles on this car in the past 2 years. So I drive quite a bit actually. So that's averaging almost about 20,000 miles per year. So it's pretty dope, honestly. This car handled everything pretty well, no complaints with any like mechanical issues. Knock on plastic, knock on leather steering wheel. But honestly, this car has been awesome. Really enjoying the car so far and making these dope content videos. And I was actually listening to some a singer, or actually rapper, called Shorty, and he's really dope, man. You gotta search his music up. You really like feel his music. It's so dope. But you know, we're just currently cruising. This Honda in front of me, man, he's going pretty fast. And you know, I don't condone speeding at all, so I'm gonna just go 5 over, because literally, bruh, I'll have video evidence. I'll get tailgated if I'm going the speed limit. I swear. People will be an inch away from me, bro. And it really, like, I need some space in my bubble. You know what I mean? Like, can you please back up? And I wish I could just, like, tell them through the car. Like, I'll gladly tell them, like, can you please back up just a little bit? You know, especially with the car. Just look at this truck behind me. He's just, I mean, he's not that close, but he was kind of close. And I'm going 65 right now, so I'm just kind of ranting right now and just having a good time. But hope everyone out there is doing well. Got the setup back. I have my favorite hat. There's a couple videos where I handheld the GoPro on my channel. I'm just gonna keep them up there because, like, it's content, and like, I don't want to waste. Excuse me, I'm burping. Ooh, I had some peanut butter. Really good protein. But you know, I might do some gym vlogs of just me lifting and like my take on things, and like kind of like progress videos, to be honest. But you know, we're just cruising right now. And like I said, this is a toll road, so that big structure right there takes pictures of your license plate and charges you money for being on this road, which is totally cool because, like, there's no traffic and it's really chill road. I love this road so much. Thank you, Maryland, and shout out, like, you know, everyone out here, all the construction workers, you know, working on roads. I appreciate all your work. So had to say it off the bat. And look at this Tacoma, man. He's just pushing it. I'm just following the flow of traffic. There's an oversized load 18-wheeler behind me, so I'm not trying to slow him down. But wow, man, this is almost before Christmas. I believe Christmas is on Friday. Today's Tuesday, so a couple more days till Christmas. Super grateful. Shout out everyone. Christmas is a wonderful time for me, and I'm gonna spread the jolly by probably doing a giveaway. Let me know what giveaway I should do. I have some Supreme stickers maybe I could give out. Check out my other content on the channel. Love you guys, all of you. Take care. Let me check something. I'm not gonna end the video right there, guys, but I'm just like, you know, trying to keep this video interesting, you know, because I'm talking to people. I feel like I've been watching like the statistics, and I have quite a bit of watch time on these Prius videos, so thank you for everyone that's watching once again. I did take notice, and yeah, guys, we're just cruising along this road. And hopefully we'll get to our destination in a speedy... Look at this guy in the Tacoma, man. He is kicking it. I'm going 65. Look how fast. I literally have him on video, guys. Rewind that. See how close he was to me, and I was going like 65. Look how gone he is now. But no ranting. Just good vibes, guys. That's literally all I want to bring to this channel. Good vibes and, you know, entertainment and just fun. Just a community sense, you know, everyone have a good time, and just you know, we're gonna grow. Right now I have 2,000 subscribers. Shout out to everyone that's subscribed on the channel. We're gonna run it up, guys. Mark my words, we're gonna run it up. Murderkiss is going up, the YouTube channel. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. I feel like I keep saying that, but I'm just so grateful for everyone that's watching these videos. But I can't even catch up to that Tacoma now, man. Look how far he is. I thought that was the Tacoma right there. I'm gonna point it out, that Chevy, brown Chevy something, probably a Silverado. I have a truck F-150 review. Check that out on my channel. Might have to search for it. Doesn't have that many views, but dope car. Have a GoPro footage of it. Check that one out. But I am into trucks. I do like trucks. But right now, at the time of this video, I have this Prius, and I'm gonna make as much content as I can out of this, and, you know, just get my money's worth with this car. So new whip coming soon. That's all I have to say. New whip coming soon. Probably gonna be German. I really like German cars. I like German engineering. And yeah, so check out some of that stuff. But we're getting back to the area, guys. I'm gonna probably end the video pretty soon. Thank you everybody once again. Thank you everybody. So grateful. Put my hands together for y'all. So grateful and appreciative. But anyways, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.
I'm working on